Today I'm going to show you how to import legacy data in Microsoft Excel. All right, so let's jump straight in. First of all, Microsoft replaced the classic text import wizard with Power Query in Office 365 version 1704, which was in June of 2017. So the legacy wizard remains essential for many workflows. Okay, so first of all, it's simplicity first. It's straightforward. It's easy to use for quick CSV or text imports without complex transformations. You get force-specific data formats on columns, preventing misinterpreted dates or numbers, and there are no query management or connections required, so it's perfect for isolated data tasks. So how do we enable and use this? Well, first of all, the setup, we need to go in to File, look for Options, and look for Data. Then locate Show Legacy Data Imports Wizard. Check the box from the from text legacy and then click OK. Now to access it, go into the ribbon, jump into data, get data, legacy, wizards, and then click on from text and import your data.